Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to resolve this error uh, entity storage interface restore missing on config entity storage decorator. So recently I installed this module, and immediately after installing this module my site got crashed, and then I was searching on the internet for the solution, and then I found this page. So in this page there was a discussion over this problem, and as a solution a patch was provided. So when you look at the problem and when you manually check this file, you won't find any restore function. So what this patch does, this patch actually add this function to this file. Now how I apply this patch on this file, I will show you the process. So first of all, what I did, I just visited this link. So I saved this patch on my computer. If you can see, this is the file. I saved this patch as a emp2.patch. Now, in order to apply this patch, you can see the related file you can find in webprofiler, src, entity decorator config entity storage decorator. So this is the file where we are going to apply this patch. Now, to simplify this process, what you can do, you can open the directory containing this module devel. So this is my Drupal directory, and here you need to go to www directory, then in the web, and then in the modules, you can go either to contrib, or in your case your module can also be in the custom directory. So you just need to check. So in my case, the module is available in the contrib directory, so I'm just going in the devel. Now, as in this patch file is given the related file which giving you the path web profiler, so you need to go to web profiler. So here we have web profiler. I have already opened it. In the web profiler you need to go to src. We are already in that directory. Then entity decorators, entity, then decorators, and then config. So this is the file on which we are going to apply the patch. Now how we are going to apply this patch? So for that, just open a terminal. So in this terminal we are going to write a command, and that command will apply the patch on the this file config entity storage decorator.php. So write patch. Now here you need to write the path to the file on which you are going to apply the patch, and it might be problematic to write a longer path, so that's why I ask you to open your directory. So you can simply drag and drop this file on your terminal, so it will automatically add the path. Now next you need to apply the path for your patch. So in my case I have this patch stored on desktop. So I will simply go to the desktop and I will select this file. I simply drag and drop on the terminal. So patch the path to the file and then path to the patch file, and then execute this command. So in my case it resolved the error. I hope it will do the same for you. Thank you very much for watching.